Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guy, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can update your phone number that you have put on your OnlyFans account. To do so, just follow some quick and easy steps that I will show you right now on this video. First of all, go into your Google browser to log into your OnlyFans account. Now after logging into your OnlyFans account, it will be on the home page or home screen of OnlyFans. And after you're on the home page, you can see an option for My Profile. Click on My Profile. And after that, click on Edit Profile. And here you can see an option for accounts. Go on to accounts and the option for phone number will appear also. After that, click on phone number, and here you can see you can update your phone number. You can either input your new phone number or change the phone number that you currently have. You can select the country by using this down arrow button, the country which you are currently on, and after that just click on save and your phone number will be updated from your current one to the new one you just inputted. And this was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.